J Productions.
Hop inside a coupe, I'm a lane switch. Cupid's by my side, that's my main chick. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. It's 3:40 p.m. I just got up. Yeah, it's not good. But I don't know what I'm doing today. I think I got a few things to do. I gotta take my intake to get welded up. Hopefully if my boy responds, but I gotta go take that to get done. I don't know. I'll see what I'll do today. I'll just bring you guys along. I'm in the garage now. Somebody just gave my dad, well, not gave it to him, but somebody brought my dad a manifold for his engine. I'm just not checking it out. Oh yeah, that's hard. We wouldn't think it would, I don't think, I'm not even sure. Oh yeah, it doesn't even touch the shock tower. It's actually good. I can just imagine this bad boy, hold on. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. You guys let me know what you want to see. 2J content or Toyota content. Even though it is Toyota, but yeah, guys. We've slowly been making progress. We haven't really worked on it, but ooh, look at that. We haven't really been working on this car much. Just been saying here, we're trying to get the other cars done. We got to get this car done. That car needs to get out of here. The engine's right over there. Just needs to swap it out. But yeah, guys, this is a 2J. We're gonna be building it. There's gonna be content on this soon once we start actually building it. I can't get out of here. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. There's the intake for the 2J. I actually cleaned this car out. I want to get it prepped for a roll cage. Cleaned it all out. Got to get that rest of the carpet out. We got to get the trans tunnel done. Firewall. Yeah, guys. Just a coat. Dodge. This is the engine for the Conquest. Needs to get swapped in. It's all ready to go. Yeah, guys. I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm waiting for a response back from this dude so I could take him my intake. Get the shit off of it. Yeah, guys. Guys, I'm about to head out to the auto parts to go get some primer and some paint. I'm about to just start painting my engine bay. I'm moving my mom's van right now, so we can pull the truck out. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out to the AutoZone, auto parts store, whatever, and go pick up some paint. Start this engine bay process. I think that's good. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys over there when I get to the auto parts. Go pick up the paint. I'm at the auto parts guy. Let's see what paint we're gonna get. Got the paint, guys. Self-itching primer. I recommend this primer. It's a really good primer. Self-itching. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go pay for this and go take my intake to my buddy. Get it welded up. See you guys soon. Intake. Get it welded on. Back so I can fit my car. Well, I'm about to drop this off right now. get back to start this process. I picked up some sandpaper. Get sanding. We're not professionals, but we're gonna get it done. Got some 220 grit. Get to it. See how it turns out. I ain't recording much. I was just trying to get this done. It was getting really windy and cold in here. But it's, hold on, let me turn on my flash. Yeah, guys, it's all primered. All primered for today. Yeah, guys. Where's the primer that I used? Hold on. Use this self-etching primer. I should have went into more detail of doing this, but I was just trying to get it done real quick for today. I woke up pretty late. Wanted to catch up, you know. But I use self-etching primer. It's pretty good. I use the whole can on this engine bay. Yeah, tomorrow probably mask off a couple things and then get to painting. That's how the car sits right now. Right behind me. Getting a lot of work done on it. This engine's right here. Here's my old one. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Keep dropping videos every day. Try to make videos every day. I did drop off my intake today. Hopefully get it back this week. I hope. That turbo manifold that I had on this, it didn't fit, but I might give it to my buddy to change the flange on it, because the flange the one that I ordered was too big for it. But I'll probably just use that header and cut off the flange and weld another flange onto it so it could work for this. Yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. I'm just spitting this off the top, it's not written. I'm out looking, but you niggas always stay hidden. I'm drinking off the pain, it's the Henny that I'm sipping. These girls play games like a game of badminton.